ever used a skincare product, a cream that lightened up your skin so fast? I mean, immediately you might actually like the results. Like it seems like your skin is glowing. But then a few months along the line, when I say lightens up your skin quickly, I mean in like days to a couple of weeks. But then a few months along the line, you notice that your skin you start noticing these really disgusting, ugly looking stretch marks. Now, if you've ever had any experience like this, stick around and watch this video because this video is definitely for you. Now, I've come to understand that a lighter skin does not equate to a glowing skin. Now, our beautiful melanated skin is going to glow when it is healthy. A glowing skin is a healthy, nourished, moisturized, hydrated, firm skin. Now, your skin cannot possess all these qualities when you have bleached your skin. So this video is actually going to be very impactful. It's going to be packed. It's going to be interesting. So please do well to stick around and watch this video to the end because there's so much that you're going to learn from this video. So now let me start by sharing a story. When I was younger, that was about like 9 years ago, I purchased this cream. I can't remember the name, but I know it was in a pink container, and I purchased that cream because I saw the model on screen use that cream and she had this really beautiful skin, and I purchased the cream and I started using it. And I thank God for the timely intervention of my friend who noticed that this cream had started bleaching my skin. Like, I thank God that she told me. So that was what actually helped me, and that's I was able to actually tackle that. So as someone who has been through this, I'm going to be sharing things that can help you, signs to look out for, red flags to look out for. So trust me when I say this video is going to be packed. Your skin is the largest organ in your body, and your skin does so much work for you. Now, the melanin that is present on your skin helps to shield you and your internal organs from the damaging ultraviolet rays from the sun. And this melanin is what you damage or suppress when you bleach your skin. Now, understand that skin bleaching and treatment of hyperpigmentation are different. Now, in bleaching, you are intentionally, deliberately trying to damage, suppress your melanin production for whatever reason it may be, whether it be it for because you feel like there's a particular skin tone that is more superior. Trust me, every skin tone, every skin color is beautiful. All you have to do is take care of your skin based on your skin tone and your skin type, and trust me, you're going to fall in love with your skin. Now, bleaching entails the use of ingredients like hydroquinone in unknown and high concentrations, certain steroids, and even mercury, all those dangerous, harmful substances. And I've also come to learn that aside from the external damage that these products do on your skin, they go on to damage your internal organs. So why go through all this stress? Except for my beautiful ladies that may not be doing it intentionally. So I'm doing it for all my queens out there, my beautiful ladies out there. So please, to avoid going through all this, here are certain signs you should look out for to know if a particular skincare product is damaging your beautiful melanin. Number one, and it's a very, very big red flag, is that it lightens fast. You see results in 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. Like this beautiful melanated, this beautiful skin of yours is what you want to lighten in 2 days. Do you know how much work it takes to put this all together? And you want to ruin it in 2 days. You want to use a product that will destroy your skin in 2 days. Please, my loves, do not do that to your beautiful skin. If a product lightens up your skin in a couple of days to weeks, then that is a very big red flag. And now we are moving on to the aesthetic part. This is always the part that gives people headache, and when they start noticing it, they now start looking for help. Number one, you notice that your skin is getting thinner, and you start noticing green veins on the surface of your skin. You also start having stretch marks because your skin is now thin and is now prone to when you stretch your skin on certain parts of your body, you start noticing those stretch marks due to damage of your skin cells. So we start having stretch marks. So take note of what I've said: fast lightening, okay, thin skin, green veins, stretch marks, and then you can start noticing dark knuckles. This is the one that this is the one that ruins people's confidence. And you know the worst part about bleaching is that it ruins your confidence. That's why I can never understand why anybody would intentionally do this. You start noticing dark knuckles, your elbows, your knees. Those certain parts of your body will just start getting so dark. And you know the funny thing? Like I said, your melanin acts like a shield. So when once you destroy that shield that God has placed in you, that beauty, that shield that's supposed to help you, you start noticing that you are more prone to sunburn. And it's always so ironic because you were trying to get lighter, but you're now like, "Ah, what's going on?" You target, and then for some persons, they start going from red to purple to black to it gets worse, and it could actually ruin your confidence, and you could notice increased skin sensitivity. Like when you use products, it's so harsh on your skin, and these products still go on to dry your skin, and your skin doesn't just look young and hydrated anymore. It looks so dry and pale, like you're going through so much. You will mostly notice these stretch marks mostly behind the knees. They are very common behind the knees. These are warnings that this particular product that you're using, whatever it is actually bleaching your skin. Sis, it's not glowing up your skin, it's damaging your skin. Now, because I love you, because I do not want my beautiful queens out there to suffer from the adverse effects of skin bleaching, what are some red flags to look out for when choosing a skincare product that will help you to identify that, okay, this skincare product might actually damage my skin? Certain ingredients like hydroquinone in unknown and high concentrations. Hydroquinone is used by dermatologists typically to treat hyperpigmentation, but in a skincare product where you don't know the concentration, the amount, and even the formulation, hydroquinone can actually ruin your skin. And some persons intentionally use hydroquinone because they actually want to lighten up their skin. So hydroquinone in a skincare product in unknown amount is a very big red flag. Kojic acid, especially in brands that are not trusted, brands that have no credibility, in also in high concentrations, high amounts. So certain ingredients like this in very high amounts are very big red flags. You can opt for safer skin brightening ingredients like liquorice, alpha-betaine, vitamin C, niacinamide. These are actually safer options. So if at this point you found this video helpful, please do not hesitate to like this video, subscribe to my channel, join this beautiful community that we are building, and then I would love to see you on board. Okay, just join this beautiful family that we are building. Now, let's say you have purchased a product, okay, and this product has damaged your skin. What are things that you can do to actually help? Now, first of all, is to discard that product, stop using that product. Now, there's a phenomenon that you might notice, which is called rebound hyperpigmentation. It happens, and this is actually always really, I would say, funny because now, remember I said that your melanin acts as a shield. So when once you've suppressed or damaged it, see, your skin loves you. God, like the creator put all these things in place to take good care of you. So the melanin will come back in full force because it's trying to, oh my God, I'm trying to take care of her. I'm trying to take care of this person. Like it's trying to come back, and it's now come back in more amount. So that's why it might feel like you are getting darker after you stop a particular product, and it might just appear like you're getting even more dark than you used to be. Yes, it's your skin trying to restore itself. Just give it time, be patient, which will take me to my next point, which is to opt for safer products, just generally moisturizing safe products with less harsh ingredients, and focus more on hydration. Now if that's the reason people usually say that when they switch to a particular product, it feels like they got so dark. It could just be that rebound hyperpigmentation. And you now be accusing another skincare product of making you dark. It's not. It's as a result, as a consequence of your past actions. But if you give your skin time, it's actually going to improve. It will only take time. And the funny thing is, it can take years, but yes, your skin is going to actually heal. So when you're experiencing this rebound hyperpigmentation, it's just best to focus on hydration, still be consistent with those safe products, and with time your skin is going to thank you. And lastly, don't forget to see a dermatologist, especially if it was so severe that you are now steroid dependent. See a dermatologist, and they're going to know what's best for you. It's important, once again, to choose products that nourish your skin. Your melanin is so beautiful, it's so precious. There's a reason for that in this part of the world. Melanin skin is beautiful and it would glow when it is well taken care of. Okay, please, my queens, do not damage your beautiful melanated skin. Your skin is beautiful, you are beautiful, you are unique. Your skin color, everything is what makes you unique. So, what did I say a glowing skin is? First of all, a glowing skin is not a lighter skin. A glowing skin is a healthy skin, a skin that is hydrated, nourished, moisturized, and firm. Okay, so I hope you actually enjoyed this video like I did filming it. I enjoyed from the preparation, the filming. I enjoyed making this video. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video up until this point. If you picked up one or two, if you loved this video, please like, subscribe, join this beautiful community that I'm trying to build. And thank you so much for watching this video up until this point. And until the next time, see you in my next video. Bye.